The Life Festival is our opportunity to engage with the people of Sheffield and the people from further afield about some of the fabulous work that we're doing within the University of Sheffield and the Faculty of Medicine, Dentistry and Health, but also the work done by some of our partners in Sheffield Teaching Hospitals and Sheffield Children's Hospital.
Currently we're in the Moor Market and there's about 10 different stations here today telling everybody about the research that's going on. So I'm here in the Moor today telling people about the research that we do into bones. So what goes wrong with your bones when you get osteoporosis and osteoarthritis. And we're doing some demonstrations as well to tell people why it's important that they have a healthy diet and a healthy lifestyle.
I'm from the Centre for Assistive Technology and Connected Healthcare, or CATCH for short. We're a translational research centre at the University of Sheffield that looks into new technologies to help people to live well and age well. And so we're showing off some of those technologies here today. We brought with us two robots today, both of which are companion robots designed for older people to have in their own homes as users' companions, as replacement for pets when they perhaps aren't responsible enough to be able to look after a pet. So far the event has been fantastic. We've got so many people come to the stand. They're all very enthusiastic and intrigued when they see the robots because a lot of them haven't seen these sort of things before, and the engagement has been brilliant. This is really important for us as researchers at the university because we could stay in our ivory towers and just do the research and no one will get to hear about it unless you read very obscure scientific journals. It's great to get out into somewhere completely in the public sphere here and get people to engage with us and talk to us.
I'm here today to learn a little bit about medicine and biology, and it's actually good to see things, hands-on activities, so it helps us learn a lot. I mean, I learned biology a long time ago and I forgot a lot of things, so it's really nice. And also it's nice for the kids, for them to know about what's in science, what's in medicine.
It's so interesting to see an event like this in the markets. It's got lots of different people here, different classes and different cultures, and that's really important to me. If information can be picked up here and people are welcoming and prepared to answer questions, that can make people think, right, I want to know more about that, and I think that's really, really helpful.
So today in the Moor Markets we're seeing a huge range of interactions between our researchers and members of the public. I think people are going to be inspired by the kinds of things that we're doing. I think people are going to learn a little as well, and I think for our researchers they're also going to be able to receive information and discussions from members of the public that may well change the way they view their own research.